Hello students, in our previous lectures we are studying about voice and we have already read about present indefinite continuous and perfect. Today in this lecture we shall study about past indefinite. How to change past indefinite statements into passive voice. Okay, first positive sentence rule in active. First subject plus second form of verb plus object. While changing into passive voice, the object will become the subject of passive voice. The object of active voice will become the subject of passive voice. Then here second form of verb will change into was or plus third form of verb. Then we shall use preposition mostly by. Then the active voice subject means subject of active voice will be changed into the object of passive voice. Okay, example, Ram killed Ravana. Here Ram is subject, killed is the second form of verb and Ravana is object. When we shall change into passive voice, it will become Ravana was killed by Ram. Ravana was object, became the subject of passive voice, and killed was in past indefinite. So we wrote was or plus third form of verb, then preposition by, then Ram was the subject of active voice, it became the object of passive voice. Like this, he admired her. Here her was the object. It became the subject of passive voice. She then was admired by him. Okay. Next, negative. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Then object will be the subject. Okay. Then did not plus first form of verb will be changed into was or plus not plus third form of verb. Then we shall use one preposition. Then the subject of active voice will be the object of passive voice. Okay, remember, never change the structure and never change the tense of voice. So the police did not catch the thief. Okay, the thief was not caught by the police. Here the thief was the object, it became the subject. And when the thief became the subject, according to this subject we used was, because thief is singular, so we used was, then not, then third form of verb catch is caught, then preposition by, then caught by the police. Okay, caught by the police. Next, Raju did not forgive her. Raju did not forgive her. She was not forgiven by Raju. Next, interrogative. Rule, did plus subject plus first form of verb plus subject. While changing into passive voice, a was verb plus subject plus third form of verb plus preposition plus subject, then question mark. Okay. Then did the cat drink all the milk? Here the cat is subject, did drink verb and all the milk object. So all the milk will become the subject of passive voice. When all the milk will be the subject of passive voice, according to all the milk, we have to use was or were. Instead of did, we shall use was or were. So all the milk is singular, so we have to use was. Was all the milk then drunk by the cat. Like this, did she want a pen? Was a pen wanted by her? Okay. Next, interrogative, negative. Did, rule, did plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object. While changing into passive voice, was or were plus subject plus not plus third form of verb plus preposition plus subject. See, interrogative sentence means पहले अगर हेल्पिंग वर्ब आया तो हम भी पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब का प्रयोग करेंगे। इंटरोगेटिव में देखिए, इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव, पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज हुआ मीन्स आपका भी पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगा, फिर सब्जेक्ट है मीन्स फिर आपका सब्जेक्ट आना चाहिए, फिर नॉट है फिर नॉट आना चाहिए। जैसे स्ट्रक्चर है ऐसा ही आपका होना चाहिए पैसिव वॉइस में। एग्जाम्पल, डिड द चाइल्ड नॉट बाय टॉयज, क्या होगा आंसर? ये टॉयज यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट था, अकॉर्डिंग टू टॉयज तो वी हैव टू यूज वर द टॉयज, नॉट बॉट। बाय का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या हो गया? बॉट बाय द चाइल्ड। नेक्स्ट, डिड ही नॉट सर्व यू, here you is object, it will become the subject of passive voice. According to you we have to use the helping verb, the helping verb will be were you not served by him. Next, WH question. Okay, next WH question. First WH word, then did plus subject plus past form of verb plus object. While changing into passive voice, WH word was or plus subject plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. Okay, where did you find this pen? एग्जाम्पल है where did you find this pen, तो यहाँ where WH word है, फिर did हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, you इसमें सब्जेक्ट है और find वर्ब है, this pen ऑब्जेक्ट है। ये जो this pen ऑब्जेक्ट था पैसिव वॉइस में ये सब्जेक्ट बनेगा। According to this pen we have to use helping verb, तो पहले WH word था, पहले हमारा WH word आया, फिर helping verb this pen के अनुसार was लगा, where was this pen, फिर verb के थर्ड फॉर्म हो गया found by you। नेक्स्ट, who drove the car, नेक्स्ट वन, who drove the car, आंसर by whom was the car driven, by whom कहाँ से आया? who becomes whom, सॉरी बाय हु क्या बन जाता है? बाय हुम बन जाता है, ठीक है क्या? और ये पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट में था तो वाज और के साथ वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म आया। बाय हुम वाज द कार ड्रिवन, यहाँ क्या नहीं था? सब्जेक्ट नहीं था, इसलिए इधर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं आया। देखिए WH वर्ड के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आना चाहिए, पैसिव वॉइस में WH वर्ड के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आना जरूरी है, ठीक है क्या? नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डिड आई नॉट डू फॉर हिम, इसमें नेगेटिव में कर दिया, व्हाट डिड आई नॉट डू फॉर हिम, आंसर व्हाट वाज नॉट डन फॉर हिम बाय मी, तो इसमें व्हाट डिड आई नॉट डू फॉर हिम, यहाँ क्या नहीं था? ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं था, इधर क्या नहीं था? ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं था, इसलिए हमारा इधर सब्जेक्ट नहीं आया, ठीक है ना? तो व्हाट का व्हाट रहा, फिर व्हाट वाज नॉट डन फॉर हिम बाय मी, क्वेश्चन। ओके, नेक्स्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। ओके, हाउ टू चेंज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस स्टेटमेंट्स इनटू पैसिव वॉइस। पैसिव वॉइस में हम कैसे बदलाएंगे जो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस वाले स्टेटमेंट्स या सेंटेंस होते हैं। पहले पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस एक्टिव में क्या रूल होता है इसके? हम जानते हैं सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज और वर प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, वाज वर के साथ भर के आईएनजी फॉर्म आता है, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट आता है। हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में पढ़े थे, ईजेमार के साथ भर के आईएनजी फॉर्म आता है। जब आईएनजी फॉर्म जो है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंग बोलते हैं। तो इंग आया मीन्स हम क्या प्रयोग करेंगे पैसिव वॉइस में? बीइंग और भर की थर्ड फॉर्म अलग नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए जब हमने इसको चेंज करेंगे जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा एक्टिव वॉइस का वो पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा, फिर उस सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार वाज और का प्रयोग करना है, देन बीइंग प्लस भर की थर्ड फॉर्म फिर प्रीपोजिशन फिर ऑब्जेक्ट। एग्जाम्पल, आई वाज राइटिंग अ लेटर, इसमें आई सब्जेक्ट है, वाज राइटिंग वर्ब है, ओ लेटर ऑब्जेक्ट है, ठीक है। जब पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे तो पहले ओ लेटर यहाँ सब्जेक्ट बन गया पैसिव वॉइस में, अकॉर्डिंग टू ओ लेटर वी यूज्ड वाज, ओके, ए लेटर वाज। नेक्स्ट, बीइंग रिटन, बीइंग इज द फॉर्म ऑफ बी का ये फॉर्म है बीइंग, then third form of verb is written. A letter was being written by me. Next, he was eating food. He subject, was eating verb, and food object. So at first, food will be the subject of passive voice. Okay. Then according to food we have to use was or were. Then being plus third form of verb is eaten. Then preposition by. Then the subject he becomes the object of passive voice, and it becomes him. Food was being eaten by him. Next, negative. Subject plus was or were plus not plus ing form of verb plus object. Only just we have to use not. Okay. According to the structure we have to use not. Where not has been used, in which place the not has been used, after which the not has been used, we have to use after that in passive voice. Okay. So subject was or plus not plus ing form of verb plus object. In passive voice, subject plus was or plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. They were not playing chess. Chess was not being played by them. She was not laughing at the beggar. The beggar was not being laughed at by them. Yeah, the beggar was the object. It became the subject of passive voice. According to the beggar, we used was, then not, then being plus third form of verb is laughed at. It is with preposition. Laughing at, it is with preposition. The beggar was not being laughed at by them. We can write by them or we can't write. Okay, हम लिख भी सकते हैं ना भी लिख सकते. Third, interrogative. At first was or were, then subject, then ing form of verb, then object. While changing, was or were plus subject plus being plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. Okay, we have to follow the structure, we have to follow the tense. Means at first, in the starting of the sentence, helping verb has been used. In passive voice also we have to use helping verb. Then subject, we shall use subject. Then verb, then we shall use verb with the be form. Then object, we shall use preposition plus object. Example, were they playing cricket? Answer, was cricket being played by them? Here in this sentence, cricket was the object of active voice. It became the subject of passive voice. When cricket became the subject of passive voice, according to cricket, we used the helping verb was. No, was cricket. Then the form of be is being in continuous tense. Then third form of verb is played. Then preposition by them. Here they became them. Next, was the teacher teaching you? Answer, were you being taught by the teacher? Interrogative negative. Was were plus subject plus not plus verb plus ing plus object. Passive voice, was were plus subject plus not plus being plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. Was she not washing the plates? Here the plates is the object of active voice. It will become the subject of passive voice. When the plates will become the subject of passive voice, according to that subject we have to use was or were. So the plates is plural number. So we used were the plates. Then there is not, we used not. Then form of verb is being. Then third form of verb is washed by her. Were the farmers not sowing seeds? Were the seeds not being sown by the farmers? Then next WH question. First WH word, then was or were, then subject, then verb plus ing plus object. In passive voice, WH word, was were plus subject plus being plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. Okay. So remember, after WH word, there will be helping verb. Sentence structure will not be changed and the tense will not be changed. Here is was or were, we have to use was or were. Means here is continuous, we have to use continuous. Here is past, we have to use past. Okay. Example, who was knocking at the door? By whom was the door being knocked at. Here knocking was knocking verb, okay, was knocking at verb, the door is object, and the door will become the subject of passive voice when the door will be the subject of passive voice. According to that subject we have to use helping verb was or were, and who will become by whom. So by whom was the door, then being knocked at. In this sentence there was no subject, so in passive voice there is next past perfect. Okay. Positive statements. The rule is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus subject. Okay. Here had plus third form of verb has already been used. Just we have to use been. Just we have to use been, because with each and every subject had is used, helping verb had is used. Just we have to use been. Okay, remember, in past perfect while changing to passive voice, just we have to use been with the structure. So rule is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus subject. In passive voice, subject plus had plus been plus third form of verb plus preposition plus subject. I had read a book. A book is the object of active voice. It will become the subject of passive voice. Okay, a book. Then according to a book, had will be used. Then been. Then third form of verb is read. Then preposition by. Then subject I of active voice became the object of passive voice as me. Okay, a book had been read by me. The postman had delivered the letters. The letters had been delivered by the postman. Just you have to find out at first which is the subject, which is the verb, which is the object. Okay, then object will become the subject. Then the tense will be changed according to voice. Then preposition, then subject will become the object. Negative. Subject plus had plus not plus third form of verb plus subject. In passive voice, subject plus had plus not plus been plus third form of verb plus preposition plus subject. It is very easy, no? The children had not won the match. Answer: the match had not been won by the children. The match had not been won by the children. Okay, interrogative. At first, had, then subject, then third form of verb, then object. Interrogative. We have to also write the statement in interrogative. Yes or no? Here, helping verb was used in active voice. We have to use helping verb at first. So, had, then object will become subject, then been, then third form of verb will be used, then preposition, then object. Example: had they kept us waiting. Here they is the subject, had kept verb, and us is the object. Here us will be the subject of passive voice. So us will be we. According to we, at first we used had. I have already told you that with each and every subject we have to use had. There is no other option. So had we been kept waiting, had we been kept waiting, had we been kept waiting, had we been kept waiting by them. Next, had I seen dark clouds in the sky? Had dark clouds been seen in the sky by me? Next, interrogative negative. Next, interrogative negative. Had plus subject plus not plus third form of verb plus subject. In passive voice, had plus subject plus not plus been plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. Had they not finished coffee? Okay, here coffee is the object. It will become the subject. According to coffee, we used had coffee not been finished by them. Now, had she not cleaned the house? Had the house not been cleaned by her? Now, WH question. Okay, after WH question, there will be helping verb. Why had first WH word, then had, then subject, then third form of verb, then object. In passive voice, WH word plus had plus subject plus been plus third form of verb plus preposition plus object. How had they solved this problem? Answer: how had this problem been solved by them? Here they subject था और this problem object था. So this problem will be the subject of passive voice. And how will be how? At first WH word will be used. So how had this problem, then been, then third form of verb is already there, solved by them. Whom had you met before my arrival? So whom will be who. Who had been met before my arrival by you? Okay, for today this much only.